going to do. So remember, we talked about how different items are equal and unequal. We talked about our paper clip and our pen. Remember, if we were to balance them out, the pen would be greater. Jacob didn't be from the bathroom. If we used, what if we took all of these paper clips in this nice heavy container? Which one do you think, if you can go, which one do you think is going to be, or do you think they're going to be equal?
No.
Which one do you think is going to be greater?
Paper clip.
Because look at this huge container, this metal container with all these paper clips in it. What if I took 2 pens? Do you think they're going to be equal or unequal? Let's talk about this. They're equal. Show me with your hands what equal is. Okay, so I'm going to put some equations or numbers on my balance beam, okay? And you're going to tell me if it's true, thumbs up, meaning it's equal, or thumbs down if it's false, it is not equal, okay? So thumbs up if it's true, down if it's false. False?
Or if you
True.
think it's false. Or
False?
True.
And then if you don't know, go like this.
Or you can do this. Or
Okay.
do this.
Nope, we're just going to go true, false, and shrug if you don't know, okay? So, I'm going to say, I'm going to write it right up here. I'm going to say that 5 is equal to 5. Show me your prediction. 5 is equal to 5. I see some true, I see a couple false, I see a couple I don't know. Let's see.
Yep. It's true.
It's true. They are equal. All right. So let's see. I still want to use 5. So I'm going to say it's equal to 2 plus 3. Nehai, did you see this? Huh. Let's see some feedback. Do you think that's true or false? 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. Look at that. We see an equation, and it's a little different from how we usually see it. So I'm going to put my 5, and then I'm going to put my 2 plus 3. You see at the top right there? Because when you take 3 or 2 pens, and then you take another 3 pens, what do you get?
5.
You get 5. So yeah, it is equal to that 5. Let's see this. I think that 3 plus 3 is equal to, what is 3 plus 3 equal to? I'm going to say that's equal to another equation. Keem, give me a number. Just give me any number. What's your favorite number? 7. Awesome. Okay, I'm going to say that 3 plus 3 is equal to 7. Well, let's see. Oh, don't tell me. Show me. So let's do 3 plus 3. Do 7. Oh, what do you see there?
The one on the right side goes
So what? So, our balance beam is helping us out right now. Look, it says, you see our equation of 3 plus 3, and look at the top, what does it say? 6, okay? So then I plugged in what number here, boys and girls? So let's talk about those 2 numbers. What could you say about 6 and 7? Liam?
7's higher than 6 is lower.
Oh, yes. But instead of higher and lower, let's expand our vocabulary. Joey, do you have some ideas?
3 is greater than 7.
Oh, that 3 is, oh, but remember, we don't have 3, we have 3 plus 3. What does 3 plus 3 equal?
6.
Oh. Now, remember, it's lighter. That doesn't mean that it's greater. If it's, we talked about lighter. Samiha, do you have some ideas?
3 plus 3 is 6, and 7 is greater than 6.
Ding, ding, ding. That's what I was looking for. 7 is greater than 6. 7 is add 1 more than 6. Liliana, do you have something to add?
6 is not too far away from 7.
No.
It's close to it.
It's
only one more thing.
So, let's look at some different numbers, okay? I'm going to have, let's see, 15. And I'm going to say that 15,
Plus 15. And is equal.
15 is equal to 6 plus 3. Let's think about those numbers. What do you know about those numbers?
3.
Oh, we have some I don't know. I see a lot of I don't know, and I see a lot of false. Yeah. Okay. So, So the friends who do think they know say that it's false. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna plug in my 15 right here. I'm gonna plug in 3 plus or 6 plus 9. Sorry, boys and girls. 6 plus 3 equals
9.
9. Ooh, are they equal?
No.
Which one is greater?
15.
Which one's less?
9.
Excellent job, boys and girls. So this is the kind of thing that we're going to be doing today with one of our good old math games. Okay? We're going to be taking equations like we did. You know, some are going to have numbers, but a lot of these are going to have equations. So let's take a look. And you know what? Liliana has been a great listener, so I'm going to have her take the eraser and erase the board for me. Thank you, Liliana. Okay. So you are going to have a true and false math. Okay? Okay? One side is true, the other side is false. You can see that. Mason, you may use the bathroom. And then you're going to get a baggie of little equations. Jacob, you may go after Mason. Okay? And usually we will take our equation pieces and we'll lay them out. Let's just start with one at a time. To see if you have like a bunch going on, it might be a little confusing. Okay? So let's just look at one. Okay? And this is something I would really like
We're going home in
for
about
you
an
to
hour.
use your
Do you think you
blocks
can make it? Well, we'll try
when
and go use the
using
bathroom
this,
until
okay?
it comes out,
Just
okay?
because it'll help you make sure that these, if these equations are equal or not, okay? So it is telling you that 9 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 6. Now, what we did with our balance beam is we had to figure out what each equation was, like what the whole was. What was the amount, okay? So if you have your 9 blocks, okay, and you add how many to them? What's our second? We start with 9. How many are we going to add to 9?
4.
What are we going to get? Okay, we have some ideas. So we have 9. Let's count on our greens. 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, so we know that right here, this equals 13. All right. So let's start with 7. So let me make sure that I'm starting with 7 for my first part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now how many am I adding to 7?
6.
So I'm going to add 6. Let's count on. Okay, so we have 7 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh.
True.
So even though they tried to confuse me with that equation and those different parts, is 13 equal to 13?
Yes.
So look at 9 plus 4 equals 13, and 7 plus 6 equals 13. So is 9 plus 4 and 7 plus 6 equal to each other?
Yes.
Excellent. So where do you think this equation should go? True or false?
True.
Excellent job. Oh, so we have another one. Oh, I see what? 7 plus 7. Those are doubles, right? Okay. So again, I'm going to start with my 7 cubes, or you could use chips, your counters, your fingers, your number line, whatever helps you out. Okay, so you're going to have 7 cubes, and you're going to add how many more? 7. And I saw a lot of you looking up at the doubles chart. What happens when you add 7 and 7 together? What number do you get?
14.
Excellent. Let's see if 14, whatever we get with 9 plus 5. Let's see. Also, I have 9. And I'm adding how many again, boys and girls, to 9?
5.
All right, so I have my 5 right here. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So is this true or false?
True. So much blue.
Okay, so let's look at a different one. Okay, here we go. And some of these truths might be a little confusing. Let's look at a false real quick. So we have 5 plus 4 equals 10 plus 4. Who can raise their hand and tell me what 5 plus 4 is? Samiha?
9.
9. Excellent job. Oh, so I can kind of look at this, and I'm still going to solve it, but I know that this can't possibly be true, because my first equation, both parts equal 9. What am I starting with my first part of my second equation, 10? I know off the bat, whatever I'm going to add to 10, it's going to be more, because I'm already starting. My first part is more than my whole combined for my first equation. Okay, so we already figure out that that's going to be false, but let's figure it out. So if we have 10 and we add 4 more, what's it going to be? Neha? 14. Are those equal?
No.
And sometimes you see a little slash right there to know that they are not equal. So is this equation true or false?
False.
So that's what you're going to do, boys and girls. Okay? You're going to get a true false equation, Matt. And you're going to get equations. And let's see. I think I'll have you pick a spot in the room to work at, okay? And what I want you to do is you're going to take your baggie, you're going to get your cookie sheet, you're going to get your equations, and you're going to play this game. And I'll walk around to make sure that you're getting them in the right spots, okay? Grab your blocks. I believe your blocks will work best for this, okay? And maybe your number line in your toolbox if you want that too. Okay? Any questions, Max?
I was just gonna say my legs are hurting, so can you do a little noodle?
You know what, Max? You completely read my mind. We're going to do a go noodle, okay? So please stand up.
I don't want to hurt
Okay, so just dance in your spot.
While she types up a noodle. I don't want to be funny. While she types up a go noodle. We still gotta do something else with yeah. This kind of
Sauce! Then God will shake this stellar sauce! I'm a